Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Wiki Lenda from Group F. Inviting this time we will present the result of our discussion about approaches to student misbehavior. Classroom approaches and overview. One can feel responsibility for discipline in a school from two perspectives, which are often referred to as administrator orientation and teacher oriented approach. John, maksudnya pendekatan kelas ikhtisar. Seseorang dapat memandang tanggung jawab untuk disiplin di sekolah dari dua orang perspektif yang sering disebut sebagai berorientasi pada administrasi dan berorientasi pada guru pendekatan, menurut Schwab. Next, a student-oriented approach. A. Gordon's principle for managing classroom discipline problem. B. Defining the problem. The starting point of a student-oriented approach to dealing with misbehavior is to determine who is responsible for the problem, the student or the teacher. C. When a student or a problem, the teacher can help him or her to deal with it. Maksudnya, sebuah pendekatan berorientasi pada murid. A. Gordon, prinsip untuk mengelola masalah disiplin kelas. B. Menjelaskan masalah titik awal dari pendekatan berorientasi pada murid. Masalah untuk menentukan siapa yang bertanggung jawab untuk masalah siswa atau guru. C. Ketika seseorang siswa memiliki masalah, guru dapat membantu dia untuk menghadapinya.
Teacher-oriented approach. A. Needs and rights in the classroom. Both pupils and teachers have the need for and the right to a positive and a supportive classroom. Everyone for effective learning and teaching. Center. B. Assertive teachers. According to the Carter's description, there are the kinds of teachers I outline below. C. Procedure for assertive teaching. Assertive teaching does not involve the imposition of harsh rules and correction.
The next material is a group-oriented approach. A group-oriented approach in Lewis framework. The group-oriented approach is equated with the management model, which lies in the middle of the continuum between the teacher-oriented and student-oriented approach. B. Defining the problem. The starting point of the student-oriented approach to dealing with misbehavior is to determine who is responsible for the problem, the student or the teacher. C. When a student owns the problem, the teacher can help him or her to deal with it. First, the teacher has to make sure that the student keep calm and explore the issue in a rational manner. The next material is making it simple. A. Lewis framework. According to Lewis, in dealing with student misbehavior, a teacher can take charge of how students should behave, join with the student in deciding how they should behave, or let the student to decide how they should behave. Model of influence. B. Tree model. The tree model shares the common goal of trying to show teachers how they can deal with people's in properties behavior effectively. C. Precautions. Before we examine this approach in detail. Okay, this video from group 5. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.